Hey guys, today we're unboxing a huge mystery box from SUNLU. They're running their 13th anniversary promotions. I ordered two of their mystery boxes here in Canada. I'm super excited about this. Let's unbox it together. Looks like I have 10 filaments in here. Let me just move the camera a bit and show it to you. There we go. Let me just open up all of these and get back to you in a minute.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm back. Here we are. These are the filaments, and let's go ahead and open them up. So what have we got here? Wow, this is a beautiful blue. Let's see, what does it say? Okay, this is blue. I'll just stack them up here, put the box aside. A pretty color. And this one says lavender purple. Oh, wait, and these are reusable spools. That is nice. Let's keep going. Let's see what we have here. This is a high-speed yellow PLA. Beautiful color in it. Alright, let me put this aside. The next one. This is high-speed PLA. It's sky blue. Right. This one says high-speed matte PETG, and it's all sealed up. I'm not ready to open it up as of yet, but I'll just keep it aside. Alright, this one is black. And this one is PLA white. Another black. Wow, this is an aesthetic filament, and the shade is, it's a high-speed PLA marble, Shadow Storm marble. That's what it's called. So it has those little specks in there. And the last one is this beige. No, this is another aesthetic filament. It is maple wood. That's how it looks. So those are all the colors. I'm happy we don't have too many repeats except for the two yellows, but one of them is a PETG, and then we have two blacks, but I'm super happy with this. I haven't printed with SUNLU's aesthetic filaments before, so I have a few things in mind. I'll be back with an update when I print those. Now for the big question we've been waiting for. Was it actually worth it?
let's pop over to their website and do the math. I grabbed 2 of their anniversary mystery boxes, the aesthetic and high speed edition and the basic edition, for a total of 10 full spools. With your anniversary discount and free shipping, the grand total worked out to 158 Canadian dollars and 70 cents. I got a good mix of high-speed PLA, Petchy, and some specialty finishes for just under $16 per spool. I'd say that's a steal compared to buying them individually. I was really wishing for a rainbow or silk, but hey, that's the mystery bundle gamble.
We were not expecting this.
Quick update. I actually had to pop back into edit because SUNLU hit me up last night. They're shipping over a free S1 Plus filament dryer. Sure, it's an older model, but you won't hear me complain about a free dryer. Each mystery box only had a 5% drop rate for a dryer, so I definitely scored here. With the good per spool price and the bonus dryer, this haul was 100% worth it. What's your go-to filament brand right now? Drop a comment down below, and if you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more 3D printing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!